Okay, let's light it up. The obvious objective of this video is to add some lights into a ceiling plan. Let's make sure we're in the same view. Under electrical, let's now go to lighting. Under ceiling plans, let's double click on level 1. Let's zoom in on this area here. Notice when I hover my cursor over our room, we see our space. We want to tag that. To do so, let's go to the Analyze tab. Let's click on Space Tag. What I'd like to do is click on Leader. Pick a spot right about here, and it adds our tag. Select Office 101. I'm just going to kind of drag that tag out. I'm going to give it a little elbow. Not the best leader in the world, but it'll do. Hit Escape a couple of times. Now I want to bring in a lighting fixture. Let's go to the Systems tab. Let's click Lighting Fixture. Let's fit what we have already loaded into our project. Click the drop down here. I'd like to grab a 2x4 277. That's pretty common. For placement, let's make sure we click Place on Face. And of course, our grid is rotated 45 degrees and our fixture is not, but that's okay. Hover over one of these lines. I'm going to grab this one. Hit your space bar. Notice that it will align it. Put one here. And maybe I'll come down and I'll put one here. Let's hit Escape a couple of times. Select one of your lighting fixtures. And again, notice that it's 277. So if we click Edit Type, our ballast voltage is 277 volts. The problem is the panel we have in our model is not going to help us. It's not going to actually be able to circuit to that because it's incompatible voltage-wise. It's all right. Under Power, let's go down to Floor Plan Level 1. Let's zoom into this room here, Electrical 107. Let's go to Insert. Let's go to Load Family. Go to your distribution folder under our libraries, US Imperial or Metric or your region, Electrical MEP, Electrical Power, Distribution. In my case, I'm going to grab Lighting and Appliance Panel Board. I'm going to grab 480 MCB Surface. Click Open. Go to the Systems tab. Click on Electrical Equipment. Let's click our drop down here. Lighting and Appliance Panel Board, 480 volts. I'll grab the 250 amp one. I'm going to put it right on the surface of this wall here. Hit Escape a few times. Select your panel board. Notice that distribution is already set for 480 277. Scroll down in your properties and let's just give it a panel name of LP-1. Hit Enter. Let's go back up to our level 1 ceiling plan. Let's create another lighting fixture. I'd like to right-click on this light fixture and create similar. Notice that we again have to click Place on Face. I'll put one in this room. I suppose I'll put one in this room for good measure. Hit Escape a couple times. One thing I'd like to do though is I like to see my door openings. I want to adjust my view range in this view. In my properties, I'm going to scroll down till I find View Range, then I'll click Edit. Our cut plane is way up high at 7'6". So for our offset, I'm going to type in 4 feet and hit Enter. That's going to bring us down so we can see our door swings. I like that a little bit better. So now if we wanted to put exit signs and those types of things in, we can see our doors and which way they're swinging. So that's all I want to show for this video. Hit Save, and maybe we'll add some switches in our next video.